Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to make a mango juice. So, here are ingredients: 2 ripe mangoes, 1 cup cold water or as needed, 2 tablespoons sugar optional, half tablespoon lemon juice, it's also optional, ice cubes as required. Are you ready to make delicious and refreshing mango juice in just few minutes? Let's get started. Take 2 ripe mangoes, wash them properly and peel off the skin. Now, cut the mangoes into small pieces. You know that the riper the mango, the sweeter your juice will be. Put the mango pieces into a blender and 1 cup of cold water. If you like your juice sweeter, you can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. But if the mangoes are already sweet, you can skip it. Till tangy flavor, add half tablespoon of lemon juice. This step is optional but it enhances the taste. Now blend everything until it becomes smooth and creamy. In the third step, if you want a smoother juice, you can strain it using a fine mesh strainer. But if you like it pulpy, you can skip this step. Our fresh mango juice is ready. Pour it into a glass, add some ice cube and enjoy this refreshing summer drink. Look at this beautiful color. It's healthy, tasty and super easy to make. Oh, do you like this juice? Would you like to try it? Let me know in the comments. Okay, then till then bye. I will see you in the next video with a new recipe.